Probably getting to explore one of the other rooms with stations. My favorite station was I got to build like a boat, but it works on land. I just like exploring.
I like the butterfly pendant. I like how I got to color it.
I like doing the pipes. I like doing the rooms. The one where you race to get the sucker. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
I want to be a piano artist where I can create piano songs.
I want to be an artist. I want to be a police person who works at the zoo, a zookeeper.
They build things, they help people sometimes understand better. They also fix things like homes or cars.
Sometimes they make generators. Sometimes I know they can fix cars. They design and they build. I like building as an engineer. I like making forts as an engineer. I love playing with Legos and building with them. I really love building. I'm an engineer.
I'm an engineer.
I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer.